Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. MCRT pumped 16%. I think it's on the team's announcement that it's been now 2 years birthday for MCRT, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum, stocks. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technical. Unity was up 4% yesterday. If you're watching, I bought it at $26, so it's almost up actually 100%, which is beautiful. Wild is up 2%, Intel was up 2%, Tesla up 2%. My biggest holding, and Tesla is breaking out of this. You can see here, there's two big. One, you've got this big kind of W formation that's formed on Tesla. Two, it's broken out of this massive bull flag. This huge bull flag on Tesla pole, and then this flag that it's been moving in. It went exactly to my fourth wave when I added more to my position. We sold here 50%, if you remember, back in, I think it was October. Yeah, sold 50%, bought back here the 50%, and now it's pumped huge, which is just compounding gains. But this is a big bull flag that, in my opinion, the fourth to fifth wave will be taking us to $312, and that will make a bigger overall pattern for Tesla, which is this huge inverse head and shoulders. Huge inverse head and shoulders that if it moves the base of the head this distance here. So Tesla will be going to 528, which is a massive move, which I'm glad I'm holding. It's one of my biggest, if not my biggest position, Tesla. Bitcoin 42,000. First wave is in effect. First to second wave has corrected, and it looks like now we're in the second to third wave, which is the biggest impulse wave. We're kind of in a downtrend. Oh, the trade from yesterday activated and is now big in profits. Look at that. It came down, activated the trade, came very close to the liquidation that I had on yesterday's trade. It went all the way down to 41,836. My stop loss was 41,786, and then bounced back and now in the profits, which is beautiful. Symmetrical triangle breakout, and volume is confirming this trade. This trade is active now. The target is 60K, and it's still almost at the exact same position. If you haven't taken a trade yet, I would take the trade from the support. I would take the trade from there, stop loss just underneath. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin now. But I'm already in Bitcoin from 16K, almost trading it up. That's the trade I would take, opening at support there. So opening at 40,764, stop loss 40,448, take profit 60K. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin. 61 risk to reward ratio, risking $315 to make $19,530 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $190,000. With 100x leverage, $1.9 million trade. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin. And I'm also seeing a very big bull flag here on Bitcoin as well. Pole and then flag formation, which is very good news. Tesla and Bitcoin looking amazing. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do under the video, go down underneath the video and sign up to Bybit using this link. You get a $30,000 bonus. OKX and trade stocks, the master course, you learn how to trade, how to set up charts, trade, take profit, stop loss, and then join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you. There's a new course is going to be coming out soon, so make sure you follow me on Twitter. And I'm going to be giving away, also my X views on views 7,000 in this video is starting to be bigger than my YouTube views, which is beautiful. You can follow me on Twitter, or X it's now called, with this username, which is beautiful. Magicraft also pumped yesterday 15%, huge move on the announcement that it's there. The token of MCRT ecosystem celebrates its second anniversary today, 2 years, which is beautiful. This is a centralized network. What's the old banking system? This is decentralized network, which is Bitcoin, and that's why it's so powerful. That's my update on Bitcoin. Let's check out the Telegram if there's any questions. Anyone know if Uniswap is a good hold? Does it seem to be recovering well? I'm holding Uniswap. It's actually up a lot since I bought it. Let's do Uniswap. Uniswap. It's a lot since I bought it. $5.80. We were buying it down here at $3 or $4, I think was the $3.80. So it's up still massive since we bought it. It's up almost, doesn't seem like much, but at that a few days ago it was up almost 85%. Right now it's up 53% since we bought it. And it's reclaimed the 200 moving average, and massive volume comes in. Remember, everyone, what do I always say? Volume predicts price. And look at the volume before. Look at the volume for the whole of last year. all going back to 2022. Look at the volume. We have now bigger volume than even in 2022 on Uniswap. Look at that volume, especially compared to the last year. Volume predicts price. It's at heavy resistance. This is a heavy resistance area. It got rejected, but it looks like it's finding support here. Great buys will be at $5.10. And I'll add more. I'm going to put an alert and add more to my Uniswap at this $5.10 mark. I'll put some buy orders. Over on Bybit, my Bitcoin trade is now $64,000 in the profits, 437%. It's a 7 Bitcoin trade, so almost 280,000. In this account, 505,000. I've got Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, 88,000. USD, Doge, 52,000. USD, 51,000. Uniswap, 51,000. FXS, 45,000. Down a little bit. MCRT up 14%, 39,000. I'm going to buy more Uniswap at that support area, which is now, I'd say $4.90. So I'm going to buy another 10,000 uni at $4.90 if it pulls back. $10,000 worth. $10,000 worth at $4.90 is the limit price. So I'll get 2,000 more Uniswap. Order price $4.90. Confirm that order is now set for Uniswap. And everyone, I'm going to keep giving away Christmas presents, but I'm going to have to do it inside the Telegram, on Twitter, and on YouTube till Bybit fixes. Someone was managing to make multiple accounts and claim some of those Christmas prizes under one account. Bybit's looking into it, so I'm going to give away PlayStations, Xboxes. Make sure you follow me here on Twitter and on Instagram. All the links are down below. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.